how to get in touch with customer service in crypto.com. If you're having issues or need assistance, this guide will show you the quickest and most effective ways to reach out for help. Let's get started. First things first, open the crypto.com app on your mobile device. You need to be logged into your account to access customer support features. Once you're in the app, look for the help or support option. This is usually found in the settings menu or at the bottom of the app. Tap on it to open the Help Center. In the Help Center, you'll find various support options. For immediate assistance, use the Chat with Us feature. This will connect you with a customer service representative who can help you with your issue. Alternatively, you can contact crypto.com customer service through their website. Go to crypto.com. Alternatively, you can contact crypto.com customer service through their website. Go to crypto.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Support or Help Center. You'll be directed to a page with FAQs, live chat, and the option to submit a request. Crypto.com is also active on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. If you're not getting the help you need through the app or website, you might try reaching out through their official social media channels for assistance. And that's it. You now know how to contact customer service on Crypto.com.